Coming to you with another new and exciting product from the team here at Speedwerx. As you can see, we got this little 200 behind us. This is our new secondary clutch spacer that allows us to float the secondary. So if you want, click the link below right now. It'll take you right to the page on our website. You can read everything up on it that you want. If you guys that want more details and you want to know more and more on this, I'm going to talk about it a little bit here right now. So this spacer goes in here and basically extends the shaft that the secondary clutch bolts to, and you'll see in the video, it allows that secondary clutch to float back and forth and move with the primary clutch. So when the engine's in there torquing and twisting and moving up and down and everything, that secondary clutch can float and align itself to keep a better relationship between the belt and the clutch sheaves. This is nothing new. This is something that's been going on with the larger sleds for before I was born. It's just a real easy way to take a lot of the flex and ever-changing locations of the motor and stuff. It takes that all out of play and just it allows everything to perform a little bit better. Super simple, retails for $16.95. It's just the spacer for the 200s. It works on the Arctic Cats, it works on the Yamahas, it works on the Ski-Doos, and it works on the Lynx. Super simple part. Check it out on the website. If you guys have any questions, let us know.